Hey guys, we are about to do my Boxycharm premium unboxing. But right before we get into that, reach down and hit that subscribe button. And so now we are about to get into it. Okay, you guys know that Boxy Premium is a subscription box that Boxycharm came out, and it's $35 a month, and it's supposed to be more high-end products than the regular Boxycharm. And I can say that Boxycharm has definitely lived up to that hype. So I have my cart here with my prices, and we're about to just get started. The first thing I chose, I think you could choose the flat iron or a palette. I chose the Sultra ceramic flat iron, and it retails for $79. And I chose the flat irons because I don't know, I just didn't. Oh wow, my flat irons are broken. I need to email Boxy. They are broken. So let me go ahead and tell you guys, before I got my Boxy, I noticed that it was taped up kind of funny, and it just looks like somebody went through my box and they took one of my products out. They stole my products. They went through my entire box, and I'm upset about it. They stole the Fascia Skincare, the 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer that was worth $100. They stole that. My flat irons are completely shattered, which I'm very disappointed about. And I emailed Boxy about the shoot, I didn't know these were broken until now. I emailed them about the products that were stolen, but I didn't know that the flat iron was also broken. But they stole that. They stole my Glow Recipe Watermelon Ultrafine Mist. So the only thing that I got out of here was some broken flat irons, some Core's Mediterranean Vanilla Blossom Body Butter, which retails for $32. And I got my Tarte base tape, which I'm absolutely excited about. This retails for $30. And one of my subscribers said she absolutely loved this product. So I have a sample size and I'm going to try it, but I haven't tried it yet. And then I did get my Hourglass, which was one of the products I was most excited about. But you can see all my products was ripped open and damaged, of course. I got the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade Diffused Heat. It doesn't look swatched or anything, but yeah. So I'm disappointed in my box, and it's not Boxycharm's fault. It's just like, I don't understand why people must steal and be thieves. Like, buy your own crap if you want it. Like, don't be, if you working for the mail people, don't be going through other people's packagings looking for something to steal, because obviously you have a job. So obviously you can afford to buy what you want and not take mine. So I emailed Boxy about some of the products, but I didn't know that the flat iron was broken. So I'm gonna have to re-email them and let them know that I got a damaged product. I'm absolutely disappointed. I mean, this would have been a good box had my products arrived intact and no one decided to go through my box and steal my products. But if you guys like this look, just know I filmed it. I don't know which one of these is going to be posted first. This isn't a super long video. I'm just really disappointed. And so, you know, but this look was filmed. Leave me some comments. You know, I'm going to holler at y'all later.